Please note that this installation is meant for iDrive 5 buttons menu with no top illumination lighting on the turn knob. There is double-sided adhesive tape on the cover. Peel off the adhesive backing and set aside. Start with pushing in the bottom part aluminium turn knob ring. Next, clean the top edge of the knob with a primer wipe to prepare the surface to bond with the top cover adhesive tape. Finally, paste and press firmly the top cover onto the stock selection knob and you are done.